they were thinking about doing
No,
that?
it was because her heartbeat was very low. Yeah.
So it's really
She's fine now?
Yeah, they're going to test her and make sure that she's okay.
All done. All set up?
Wow, you use a lot of stickers.
I do. Majority 4 stickers. But a lot of the stuff, just here, because I can explain the newborn screen.
This is top of the scope, isn't it?
That's why if I do other people's, I get really frustrated because they say they've called the interpreter, but nothing's been ticked off yet.
Now, I'm just going to ask you a couple of quick questions. In your family, is there any history of childhood hearing loss you're aware of? In your family, is there any history of childhood hearing loss?
Well, I've got a bit of short hearing in my right ear.
Were you born with hearing
No,
loss?
I don't. Well, I don't think so.
And also, during your pregnancy, did you have any infectious diseases like chickenpox, measles, mumps, nothing like that? Okay,
No
thank you.
problem. If you want to progress, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, so
Okay, you're going to bring the
start
baby
the
back.
screen now.
Baby, hi.
Rồi bây giờ đem đứa bé về cho nó bú rồi nó rồi bác sĩ nó tự.
Thank you.
Sorry, can you fit through there?
It's all right. You want to take?
Get the lady in the belly.
No, don't get me. I don't want that in photos. Get Granddad.
Yeah.
No, not
Come
mine.
over here, Granddad.
I'll rip it. I'll rip it.
Started it.
Oh, little.
Actually, listen to those kids in there.
Yeah, there were
Yeah.
a lot more last week, let me tell you. It was very busy here in Auburn last week. Last Tuesday there were 10 births, which is really amazing. And what's even more amazing, they were all boys.
Wow.
Yeah,
No, the boys are starting to cast us with the girls for that.
yeah. For a change, eh?
Are you changed, Leslie? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Cutie. She's very gorgeous, isn't she?
Yeah, I think so. I think I'll keep her.
Others? You think? Okay.
How does the computer detect all that business without the baby saying, yes, I can hear it, or I can't hear it?
Well, see, those sensor pads are actually positioned in the area of the brain that picks up sound waves. So as it's picking up the different frequencies, it's like what it's picking up. It's like if you see the cochlea is shaped like a keyboard. So if you open it all up, it's able to detect low, right up to really high sounds. So if the computer's satisfied it's picking up every single different frequency of sounds, it will give me a pass reading on each ear.
Something?
Yeah, it's really good. See, that left ear has just passed now, and we're waiting on that right one to go through. So it's satisfied that it's picked up in that range of language and speech.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Good.
Remember, this is just a screen test, so it's just covering that area. There we go. So your baby's passed, everything's fine. It's responded well. Oh, you might have to check yourself out.
I know I failed. I know I failed.
Hang on, if you want to have a look at that screen, I'll just wipe this out again. We have a proper look. There we go. Okay, and it's the 13th. Okay, so your baby's passed today's hearing test. It's important to know, though, that even though she's passed today, hearing can change over time. This is with all babies. So it's always important to monitor the baby's language and speech milestones.
So do they do that at the birth centres now?
No, you do it yourself in your own time. Behind that brochure that I've given you is a hearing checklist.
Okay.
And it just gives you a guide to what to expect as the months progress, right up to 24 months. what normal progression should occur. If you ever consider that something might not seem normal to you, it's important to check with your family doctor and they can arrange another hearing test.
Okay.
But I'll attach a copy of this result in your blue book today, so
Oh,
it'll be
great.
there for you. Okay. So we'll just take everything off. Well done. Hey, she passed her first test.
You know what they did to me when I was a baby? They put me in a paddock because I was crying so much. I was in Holland.
Oh, look at
That.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Just wipe these over and finish.
Those long fingers.
Yeah. I've done it now. Looks like Granddad's going to have to hold her again.
Oh.
Okay, now I've also got some
Oh.
bit of information